In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3110 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome browser. The moment you have opened it up, please navigate here at the search bar and type for Epson L3110 printer driver and click on the enter key button on your keyboard, and in that way you will be able to see a list of results. So first proceed to the first one, which is Epson Eco Tank L3110, and click on this link, and eventually you'd be able to be navigated to a new page where you can see the printer driver itself. Okay, so once you are here, you need to scroll down and click on this downloads and wait until you'll be able to see a drop down menu below where you can select or where you can choose your operating system manually. So once it is here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11, and there you can see an option called Go. Click on it to search for it. So wait again since this page will be refreshed. Okay, wait again until you can see a driver where you can download this printer driver, which is this Epson L3110. Okay, so once it's here, you need to scroll down and locate for drivers and click on this plus sign. And there you can see printer driver. Click on this download aligning to it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open a new tab where it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Click on accept, and in that way, you can now start the downloading process. Okay, so the downloading process would depend on the network connection that you are currently connecting with. Okay, so I would suggest to connect to a strong Wi-Fi if you would like to download it in a lesser minute or a lesser time. Okay, so once you are done, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at the top right corner. You can see their download icon. There you can see your downloaded file or exe file. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it. Click on this cut icon. Close the windows being opened. And here at the desktop, please make a right click here and click on paste. So once you have successfully moved the printer driver here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool if you have to extract it. So go with extract to L3110 and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So once extracted, let's move on now to the installation. So before we proceed, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more relevant tutorials like this. Okay? So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. Now, here were the settings. All you need to do is you need to proceed here at the left pane and locate for this Bluetooth and devices. And there you can see the printers and scanners. Click on this one and go with add device here at the right side. Click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually to open a new window, which is this one. So go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. And then you need to click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. Once you have set the proper printer port, you need to click on Next here and go with Have Disk and click Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to click on that, scroll down here and go with this extracted file, double tapped again, just double tapped until you can see this driver. So you'll be able to see two driver, select any of this, anyway this two function similarly, so you don't have anything to worry about. Click on OK here and there you can see this Epson L3110 series. So click on next and try to rename that. In my case, I'll be deleting the extension for series, which is I'll be leaving this Epson L3110 as the printer name for easy identification. So click on next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this process would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next and click on finished, and there you have that you have just successfully download and install Epson L3110 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.